Welcome back. The Carmichael location of Doctor's Hospital is holding a Sip and See event tomorrow, November the 26th. That's Saturday. Here to give us the details are Dr. Rodlyn Malcom, family medicine specialist, Meghan Taylor, executive administrator, and Rashaan Symonette, LAMP administrator. Good morning, ladies, and welcome to Bahamas at Sunrise.
Good morning.
Now, Dr. Malcom, this is an exciting event. Just from the sound of it, I'm super curious about it, but please tell us, what is the idea behind the Sip and See event?
Okay, so as you know, Sip and See, or Sip and Paint, Sip and Praise, we got the name from that and we decided to be a little bit more creative. So Sip and See the Doctor allows our clients and our patients to come to relax, have a chat while sipping some nice healthy beverages and see the doctor at the same time. And they have the opportunity to ask questions, to get information, any burning questions that they want to ask about their health, and we will be there to assist them with that. So that's the idea behind it, to provide a nice relaxing environment, to take away the stress and anxieties, and to allow our clients to be comfortable with their physician to ask questions.
I love it. I was curious about what was on that beverage menu, so thank you for clearing that up. Good to know. Dr. Malcom, will people be able to meet doctors and tour the facility?
Absolutely. Because, you know, when we put on fairs, of course, we want to see what we're getting out of the fair, right? So the idea is that the people would be able to look at our comfortable environment, and trust me, it's very comfortable. It's cute, it's petite, but they'll be able to see it when they come out. So they would be able to tour the facility, they would meet the physicians, including me, you know, proud family medicine physician. And also I do wound care as well. So there's a lot of different things that we have available at that location. I'm not the only provider there, but there are other providers that will be there as well to introduce themselves and be a part of our primary care team.
That's amazing. Taylor, let's talk to Meghan Taylor now. What health screenings will be available? Give us some details now, because wound care stood out to me just now. I had a C-section earlier this year, so it's like, oh, okay, good to know. But what other screenings can persons look forward to having at this facility?
So we're definitely going to do the basics, like your BMIs, your weight checks, your height, your blood pressure, your glucose monitoring. And then we're going to have a nutritionist out there that's going to, if you have any questions about your health, or we might say that you may be a little bit obese, and what does that mean? Don't get nervous. We have all of our specialties that are going to be out there able to guide you and assist you in what your status is. And that's the way we want to get into the community of Carmichael, so people can know their status.
Love it. Let's hear from Ms. Symonette. What else can people do at Sip and See? Because this is an event, and I want to know what all can we anticipate coming out there on Saturday.
So thanks. Definitely one of the highlights will be our Loyalty Advantage membership program. We are going to encourage persons to sign up. And with that program, it offers affordability and accessibility to our services at Doctor's Hospital. It is for all ages, no matter what health conditions you have, no matter exactly, no matter what healthcare conditions you have. It is for the uninsured, it's for the uninsured. We have 3 current plans right now. The prepaid primary care plan, which is $44 a month. With that, it offers discounts and free preventative care as well, like your annuals. You have 2 free imaging service, you have 1 free mammogram, 30% off medication, 30% off blood works as well. For our insured, we have copay waivers on your prime care visits that will be offered at Carmichael as well. You have copay waivers on your medication, imaging, and labs. So it's so much more. We also will be encouraging our NHI sign up, and that right there is free. With NHI, we will also give you 1 free imaging and 1 free mammogram, along with 2 free nutritional consultation checks if you're starting out with one of our providers, NHI. So there's a lot going on Saturday, and we do want to encourage everyone to come on down.
That's amazing. That's super value. I mean, for anyone that's looking to be a part of something that's exclusive and something that's preventative and helpful, this is the kind of program that someone like me I'll be checking this out. We'll be definitely looking into further. Now, when events are hosted, one of the big questions is, yes, you have drinks there because we're sipping, but I want to ask Ms. Taylor, will there be food?
There will definitely be food.
Okay.
There's no event without the food, right?
Yeah, what's that menu going to look like? Heavy food, sauce, like...
Not sauce. We have some healthy choices, tasty foods. So we also have our nutritionist, like I said, who's going to select menus and items that you can eat that is more on the healthier side, that people won't think like, what is this that I'm eating? You know, people think, they get scared when you think healthy, just like broiled broccoli. That's not what it is. Very tasty food is going to be out there. That'll be provided by one of our favorite calf vendors.
Love it. So what time is the event? Is it an all-day event, or what time do I need to get up and get out there out on Carmichael?
So we're running it from 12 till 4. Whilst the parents and adults are going to be monitored. It's open for all ages, but you know, we have some distractions out there for the kids. We have some game interactions, balloons, maybe some face painting. But we're going to be interactive. We have live music happening, photography. So just come out and have a good time with us. Get to know us, our new physicians in our Carmichael location. We want to get to know our community and just be able to have a healthier community on the whole.
Wonderful. Now, final question. This one I'm going to throw over to Ms. Symonette. Where exactly is the Carmichael location now? We need street names and we also need landmarks. So break it down for us. We don't want to miss this.
So it is on Carmichael Road on the main strip. Now, landmarks. It's going to be next to Bahamas Christian Fellowship. If anyone know where our COVID testing is on Carmichael Road, it's next door to that in the plaza. If I'm not mistaken, the plaza is yellow, but of course, you know, our Doctor's Hospital pink. You're going to see that little break in the building. So it's going to be right behind that building right there. Megan, can you remind me of the plaza's name?
I am not sure, but what I can also suggest is it's 2 doors south of Popeyes on Carmichael Road. You can't miss it.
Got it. So why should people come out? I mean, you talked about the value that'll be there for us, but Dr. Malcom, tell us again one last time, why should people come out to this event? We know it's sip and see, but just drive it home for everyone who's still on the fence about it.
Okay, no problem. Driving it home. It's personal. After a grueling pandemic season, we have lost a lot of people. We have lost loved ones. It's personal to all of us. Here at Doctor's Hospital, our slogan is to provide trusted and best care now. And we should ask ourselves, isn't our health worth it? At this point, how much more do we want to suffer? We are here to create healthier lifestyles. We should be putting our health at the forefront, and this is what we want to do for our community. Our community is suffering from a lot of comorbidities, hypertension, diabetes. Let's help to prevent this. Let's make a stride in our community and help to move forward.
And with that, Dr. Rodlyn Malcom, Ms. Meghan Taylor, Rashaan Symonette, thank you ladies so much for inviting us all out to the opening of the Doctor's Hospital location out there on Carmichael, the Sip and See event happening tomorrow, Saturday, November 26th. I believe you said from noon to 4 p.m., is that correct?
Yes.
All right. An event for the entire family. Ladies, thank you so much. Thank you for joining us here at Bahamas at Sunrise. I hope to see you all out there on Saturday, as well as all of our viewers who are curious about these programs, what you can benefit from. You know where the location is now, so you all have a great day, and we'll be right back to Bahamas at Sunrise.